All right, guys, this is our last worksheet for practice today with compound sentences, just continuing more of the same practice and practicing identifying those fanboys. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so, which are coordinating conjunctions that help to join together two independent clauses to help eliminate run-on sentences. Okay, so remember, our compound sentences are made up of two independent clauses, two clauses that have a subject and a verb, and that they can each stand alone by themselves as their own sentences. Okay, for example, put the ice cream in the freezer, back in the freezer, or is our comma and coordinating conjunction. It will melt on the counter. Both this clause, put the ice cream back in the freezer, stands by itself as an independent clause or a sentence on its own. And then this one does as well. It will melt on the counter. They both have subject and verb phrases. Okay, now practicing more with our fanboys, add commas where they belong in these compound sentences. We went to the zoo yesterday and we're going to the museum today. And is one of our coordinating conjunctions. So we always need a comma before that coordinated conjunction. Comma, and. And now we have a correct compound sentence. We went to the zoo yesterday can stand alone by itself, and so can we're going to the museum today. They both have the subjects and verbs and can stand by themselves as sentences. They are just joined together correctly by a comma in their coordinating conjunction. Find where the commas should go in front of these coordinating conjunctions in the rest of this worksheet.